Hi, I'm Tammy Caple with Sew Feathered. I'm a custom long arm quilter and APQS educator. I'd like to share today some things about the design process. Now, sometimes we can rush to get that quilt done and neglect the design process. But there's 3 little steps that I can give you today to help you in creating that design. The first one is inspiration. We all need inspiration for that design. So look on the internet, you can look in nature, also even on a historic building. Once we have our inspiration, we'll go to the sketch pad. Now you can use scrap paper, a whiteboard, even iPad for these things. Once we've sketched out our design, we'll take it to the long arm and quilt it out on a quilt sandwich. So today I'm working on something and I want to show you the design process. So let's go ahead and jump over to the iPad. My inspiration is hearts, and I'm going to start in the middle where I would bury my thread and create the bigger heart. Then go ahead and stitch out the small one in the center and then close the heart. Another version would be quilting out the large heart and creating a small one in the center. Or creating a medium-sized heart and echoing on the outside. I think for my square in the square project, I'll select the center one. Let's jump on the long arm and see how that looks. So I shared with you my design process. It's inspiration, sketching, and then quilting it out. If you'd like more inspiration, visit my YouTube channel or Facebook, or you can go to apqs.com.